I used to say, you know, when I make X amount of dollars, then I'm gonna be happy. I'm gonna be where I need to be. And all of a sudden I realized it's not about the money, because I'm making the money, but I have no life. I'm bound to a job that pays me very well, and they're just taking my life away a little bit at a time. I'd been working 95 hours a week on my job, and I literally walked outside and wanted to throw my phone against a wall. I was done. I always said, gosh, if I just had some sort of mentor that could help me through some of this stuff. And an email came through, and I saw the email, and I think I read it 3 times. I watched the video once, twice. There was something different, and that something different was you and Rob. So I jumped in. Here I am in front of the whole group, sharing and showing my vulnerability, and they're saying, we're here for you, just opening their arms. It just took all my excuses and cut them off at the knees. You have that first sale and you go, wow, this thing really does work. I think my highest week is $7,500. Wow. It's really awesome. It's been a life-changing moment in my life.
I appreciate everything you've done, man. Seriously.
You're a good guy.
Thank you.